What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. Minecraft 1.21.6 Chase the Skies is out, and in this quick video I'll be showing you how you can download and set up Forge on your own system so you can start installing mods and creating your own mod pack. But before we do, this video was sponsored by Apex Hosting. If you're looking for a fantastic Minecraft server host, look no further. Apex Hosting is a great choice with super low latency, great customer support, powerful DDoS protection, and automated backups. Apex Hosting has got it all. Head across to the first link in the description down below and check out the latest coupon code in the top right. Currently it's Chase the Skies for 35% off your first invoice. Choose Get Started, select Java, Bedrock, or any other game for that matter. Order now, and in no time you'll have your own powerful Minecraft server ready to go so you can play with your friends straight away. Thank you again to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this guide. So without further ado, there's two ways to get Forge installed in your system. First of all, using the actual Forge client, which you'll find linked down below, for which you can head across to Minecraft 1.21, 1.21.6 and choose the installer here. You can then skip the ad and download the jar file to install it. You will need Java installed for this to work properly, so in the description down below you'll also find a link to the Java website where, scrolling down here, you can choose Windows followed by x64 and download the installer here. Click through it as you would any other installer if you have any issues opening the .jar file we just downloaded. So opening the jar file, we see this here. We can install a client by simply just choosing OK, or we could set up a server here. I'll just choose Install Client, OK, and just like that, once this is done downloading and setting up, it should be available in our Minecraft server launcher. Besides this, you've also likely heard of NeoForge. NeoForge is a fork of Forge, run by, I'm pretty sure, similar people, if not the same people. There's a bunch of lore behind why exactly this project exists, but if you want to use it, you'll find a link to this down below as well. Choose the latest NeoForge installer here, save it, and open it up in the same way. Once it opens up, it'll look somewhat similar. Just choose Install Client and choose Proceed to install it. There we go. And there as well. Opening up the Minecraft launcher, you should now see, after it loads, in the bottom right, we now have Forge or NeoForge or both of them if you chose to do what I did. Simply choose one of these and hit play, and you're playing Minecraft Forge in no time. If you'd like, and I would recommend, head across to the Installations tab at the very top, find Forge or NeoForged, click the three dots next to it, and choose Edit. Then, from the More Options section here, we can scroll down and change the maximum amount of RAM that Forge has access to. In my case, by default, XMX, or the maximum amount of RAM, is 2G or 2 gigabytes. We'd usually want to give Forge much more to work, as Forge is often a demanding platform with even more demanding total conversion, mods and things like that. To find out how much RAM you can give Minecraft on your system, hit Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to bring up the Windows Task Manager. In here, head across to the Performance tab followed by Memory, and you'll see the total amount of RAM in your system, how much is currently in use, and how much is available. I've got a ludicrous amount, but let's imagine that you have 16 gigs of RAM, of which 6 gigs is currently in use. That leaves you with 10 gigs available. Let's say that you have 16 gigs of RAM installed, of which 6 gigs is currently in use by Windows, your browser, and things like that. This leaves us with 10 gigs available. Obviously, we're not going to give Minecraft everything. We want our browser, Discord, and things like that to still run happily. So of the 10 left over, I'll give them 9 or 8. Sounds pretty good. So I'll punch that number in here in place of 2. So I'll replace it with 8, in my case, 8G, meaning that it has a maximum of 8 gigabytes of RAM that it can use. I'll save and choose Play to launch up NeoForged or Forge 1.21.6. There we go. Fantastic. You can obviously see that it's working straight away. The first time it starts up ever, it could take quite a bit longer, but eventually you'll reach the main menu. Fantastic. Forge is now working, or NeoForge. To install mods, choose Open Mods folder in the bottom right, or by holding the Windows key or Start and pressing R to bring up this window and typing in %app %/.minecraft, we can open up Minecraft's install folder. Here we can open up the mods folder, and in here we can place our Forge or NeoForge mods. Just a quick note, if you previously used Fabric, you'll need to move or rename this mods folder. Anyways, to download mods for Forge or NeoForge to use, I'd recommend using Modrinth. Head across mouse to this link down below, choose Discover Mods down here, and then from the far left side, I'll choose 1.21.6. Then I'll also scroll down and make sure to choose Forge or NeoForge from the Loader section. And now we've got all of our Forge compatible mods listed out here. Sodium for better lighting, Ferrite core for memory optimizations, and many things like that. For now, I'll go with something simple like maybe voice chat, or let's see something more visible, Zero's world map and Zero's minimap. I'll choose to download these, then choose the game version of 1.21.6 and choose NeoForge or Forge. So download, and the same for any other mods you wish to download. There we go. Now we can move them from our downloads folder into this mods folder here. Just like that, we've now installed some mods and they'll be loaded the next time we launch up NeoForge or Forge. So I'll simply relaunch it and there we go. We've now launched modded Minecraft with these mods installed. Fantastic. You can often customize your mods from here using the config button, or of course we can just hop into game and see how things look. So in a fresh 1.21.6 world, you can immediately see the minimap is now generating, and of course, things are working as expected. Fantastic. There we go. We're now officially playing modded Minecraft really quickly. From here, you can install more mods, or even better yet, play with your friends. If you wish to do so and host your own Minecraft Forge server, Paper, Fabric, or anything like that, you'll find links down below to those. But for now, thank you all for watching, and again, thank you to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this guide. You now know how to set up and install and even mod Minecraft Forge for 1.21.6 Chase the Skies. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.